It's the last episode of Crunch Report. I'm going to miss it. I'm super pumped for what the future holds. It's Wednesday, January 31st, and this is Crunch Report. What is up, TechCrunch land? The day is finally here. It's the last day of Crunch Report ever. But before that, here's the news. Just kidding. There is no news. Today is a day of remembrance. A day celebrating everything we've done over the last 18 months since I took over Crunch Report. I've been dreading this day, but also I've been very excited for it. Let's take a look at some of my favorite moments from the show. I am the captain now. I am the new permanent host. I wrote all about it here, and I'm pretty pumped and excited and looking forward to bringing you a fun, educational, and entertaining tech show. Football! Football! Boss. This one is Bahia.
The app that brings two hearts plus one together with a mobile app.
Those were just some of the good times. I've really made some good memories on here. As much as I call it my Groundhog Day, doing the same thing every day, it's really been a blessing and I've enjoyed every single moment of it. Some days are definitely harder than others, but the key for me has always been to power through and keep creating. Waking up at 7:30 a.m., writing till noon, pre-editing till about 2, shooting at 2, then editing and wrapping up at 4 is a lot of work. And most of the time, I do it 100% by myself. From writing the stories to final distribution. But sometimes I get help from people and I'd like to thank them. On the video team, Joe, Yashad, Vianne, Gregory, Chris, and John Mario have all helped me edit and shoot. The best video team hands down. All awesome folks that I'd have any of their backs. Huge shout out to John Manis, who co-wrote a bunch of episodes with me. Really helped me with improving my writing since I always wanted to be as good as him. And we became good friends along the way. David Riggs, who edited my copy that showed up on screen so I didn't look like a complete idiot. Thank you a ton, bud. Also the other writers who filled in for me when I had to leave for travels. Anthony Ha, Megan Rose Dickey, Brian Heater, Sarah Burr. Thank you so much. Big shout out to the bosses who let me do anything I wanted to do with literally no oversight, just complete trust. That's been huge and I've been so lucky to have that complete creative freedom. I never once took it for granted. Also the whole TechCrunch staff in general. This is a team effort. And none of what I did or get to do is possible without every single person doing their part to keep this well-oiled machine running. I honestly think you're all awesome. Thank you so much. Today is the 690th episode of Crunch Report and my 351st episode. Those numbers might be a little off since I use the YouTube playlist, but you know, those are the numbers and it's a lot. So why are we ending Crunch Report? I like making the show, but like I said before, making the show is a grind. Every day it takes a lot of work And I want to bring you hopefully even better content. Stuff like the Sling Studio review or the Rideable Suitcase or vlogs from different startups and events. I want to create stuff that's even more enjoyable, that takes a little bit more time. And right now I feel, and the bosses and team feel, we're in a place where we can do that and I have the opportunity to do it. It's all about evolving, learning, changing, and hopefully in the process, putting some smiles on faces, just creating better and content that I want to create. So where do we go from here and what can you expect? First of all, I'm not leaving TechCrunch. No way, not yet, at least. I'm still raging, I'm having a good time. I have an idea for a weekly or bi-weekly show I've been working on. It'll be a lot more laid back than Crunch Report, but still about news and what happened during the week. I have an idea, I'm still fleshing it out. Next, there'll be a lot more vlogging. I had fun doing that at CES and other times in the past, and hope to continue bringing you cool startups, people, and experiences. And it's pretty fun for me. I'll be working on in-depth technology reviews that are informative, but also entertaining, and also bigger, more in-depth documentary-style pieces that I've been talking with a couple people about. Just things that I would like to create and share with the world. Now, this won't happen all at once, but over time. And I have many ideas and always looking for new things, so feel free to pitch me at tito@techcrunch.com or on Twitter, TitoYo, 3 O's at the end, on LinkedIn, wherever. Just get a hold of me, I'm pretty easy. I just want to create good content that I can be as proud of as much as I was with Crunch Report. And that's the simple. Now lastly, I want to thank all the viewers and the fans for supporting me. When you come up to me and tell me you love the show or want to take a selfie or message me saying you watch with your kids, I love that, and that's awesome. I can't even explain how much I appreciate the audience and the opportunities that have been given to me. You're all gems. Even the trolls online, as much as you hate me, I know you love me. Even the guy who wants to cut my hair, every once in a while he messages me, but I know you like me too. But for the people that continuously give positive support, know I read all your comments and truly appreciate it, and thank you from the bottom of my heart. My hope is the little community we've built won't go away, but you'll continue with me on this new journey. So thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, before we go, little celebration, huh? Come on, JoJo! Yeah. Woo! Those are spring-loaded? Hold on, this is a big one.
Oh. What would you call the bomb squad? Peace.
That's the report forever. Hit that like or love button, share this video, and keep raging. Thank you so much. I mean, it's been a ton. I love the ride and can't wait to see where else we go. And for the last time on this show, I'll see you around. See you later. 2. Man, this is sad.